Well, we're almost there. Almost in the books. Run for the Wall 2014. This is Thursday night. We arrive tomorrow about noon on the mid route, the afternoon, mid afternoon with the southern route, and late in the afternoon for the central route. Uh, just talked to Rock today. He's really blessed by what they've done. Spoke to Wes, and they've had a great run down there. No bad wrecks. They have picked up about 25 bikes. And God's just been really good to all of us. It's been a great day here on the mid route. We started just with a real relaxed morning, took off, got just north of Fayetteville and came to mile marker 65. And lo and behold, standing up on the overpass was the North Carolina Conference bishop and his staff, and there was people from the church up there. But the thing that gripped our heart was our orphanage was out there. Falcons Children's Home was out there waving and carrying on, and one of our ambassadors went up and met them, and there's a picture I'm showing you of the people on the bridge. It was just a blown away thing. And then we get to Kinley, and there's Mount Olive, and there's First Church from Goldsboro, and then there's Bizzle Grove, and there's Pastor Billy and Pastor Philip, and then I get to meet a new pastor and Bobby Harris, and it was just an incredible experience. There was a missionary out there, Mike Tigner and his wife, and then there was a man that was from Kenya. And so, a missionary. So, I mean, there was just so much, and there was food. American Legion came and joined them, and there was vegetables and refreshments of all kinds to drink. They even had coffee, and got a lot of hugs from a lot of people that we love. And it was just a real blessed stop. And then we got on our bikes and we rode to Hopewell, and Mission M25 was set up there. Showing you a picture of Sheila and Daryl. She set all this up, and here she has had breast cancer, took 2 bags of chemo yesterday, and still was out there rooting us on. What a blessing it was. And then the final picture I'll show you is a very good friend of mine, Howard Criswell, and his sister Brenda Morales from Crossroads Church. They worked with Sheila. That's her church up there. And but I got to meet Howard's and Brenda's dad. What a blessing. Was World War II veteran. And of course, Howard fought in Vietnam War. And as I knelt at his feet, or as he was sitting in a chair and I knelt beside him, the moment was so precious. Just a great day. Kind of short. We finished in time to go do some laundry, and had a great meal with the team tonight. And then we head out at 6 o'clock in the morning, and we ride into Washington, D.C. We'll be giving you some posts. I know that Saturday Carolyn has never been into the Arlington Cemetery to watch the changing of the guard, so we get to do that, and then we'll be there for the group picture. Then we'll lay the wreath at the apex of the Vietnam Wall, and then we're going to go over at 3 o'clock and lay a wreath at the World War II Memorial. So just going to be a big day on Saturday. We'll be keeping all this posted. Sunday, Rolling Thunder. God bless y'all. Thanks for following our post.